Hi, I'm Stu Roberts and thanks very much for checking out HeyFunkyDrummer.com. Today we're going to look at some linear drumming. If you're not sure what linear means, linear just means there's only one element of the drum kit sounding at any one time. Unlike if you're playing a basic rock groove where we've got elements of the drum kit that are happening together, hi-hat and snare drum, hi-hat and bass drum together, for example. So that's layered drumming, and this is linear drumming, which we're going to talk about right now, where we don't have anything happening together. Okay, so I'm going to break this beat down really simply, and I hope that you're going to enjoy playing it. Okay, we start just with one note on the bass drum, two notes in the left hand, and one note on the bass drum to finish. So we have one more time, then we have right, left, left, right. Let's put those two beats worth of 16th notes together. Okay, next thing, a big left hand note. Cool so far. All right, the next part. Two rights and a left. So, whole thing from the beginning. One more time. Then we have a bass drum, left hand, right hand, bass drum. So when the pattern repeats, it means we're going to have two bass drum notes. The very last note in the first bar, 40, and then also beat one of the next bar. So when you play it quick, you're going to get a double in your right foot, so just watch out for that. Here's the pattern a couple of times in succession. 1, 2, 3, Cool. All right, so the next thing that we're going to do is just move the tempo up a fraction and start to involve some more dynamics. Dynamics, if you're not sure what they are just where we play loud and where we play soft. Dynamics inside a groove are sometimes called internal dynamics. And an easy way of getting those is just to move our right hand around a little bit on the hi-hat, sometimes playing with the thumb up, sometimes playing with the palm down. This just creates different textures from the hi-hat. Slowly, that sounds like this. And then a little bit quicker. Okay, next thing we're going to do is move our right hand around the drums, and that can be anywhere. It can be on the bell of the hi-hat, up here on the crash cymbal. Remember, the crash cymbal has got more than one sound. It's really easy just to think crash cymbal, yeah, just whack it and it goes crash, but actually there's about 1 million sounds we can draw out of there, so try to get creative. Then we've got our toms. And we've got our ride cymbal, we've got the ride surface, and we've got the ride bell. You can also play that with a tip. Okay, so I'll just show you some right hand movement with the linear beat that you've just learned. Let's do it slowly. Okay, a little bit quicker. Yeah. All right. So how can we get more out of that pattern? Well, quite simply, a little bit of left hand movement. So let's put some right hand movement and some left hand movement. Let's see what happens. And a little bit quicker. Yeah. Okay, and one final little thing that we can try is some of the notes that are single notes in the right hand on the hi-hat. We can play those as doubles. So, if we remember the first part of the pattern, let's make those two notes in the right hand doubles instead of singles. One more time. Okay, so that's about it. I'm just going to mix up some of those ideas, and thanks very much for checking out this lesson.